As you can see now, এক এক করে গাড়ি ফ্ল্যাগ অফ হয়ে বেরাচ্ছে। অনেকগুলো অলরেডি বেরিয়ে পড়েছে, আপনাদেরকে দেখাচ্ছিলাম বিভিন্ন স্নিপেটস। পেছনে অ্যানাউন্স হচ্ছে নেক্সট গাড়ি আসছে এবং ফ্ল্যাগ অফ হয়ে বেরিয়ে গেল তাদের ট্রেজারের সন্ধানে।
Very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Bridgestone Wheels 8th Corporate Car Treasure Hunt 2025. May I now request Mrs. Aruna Ghosh, publisher of Kolkata On Wheels, to kindly come up and deliver a welcome address.
Good morning, everyone. It's an immense pleasure to welcome you all to Bridgestone Wheels 8th Corporate Car Treasure Hunt, a day filled with thrill, teamwork, and just a right touch of mystery. A warm welcome to all the participating corporate teams who have taken their time out of their busy schedule to be a part of this unique event. We are truly delighted to witness such an enthusiastic participation from leading corporate houses across the city. Today's event is more than just a drive. It is a journey through the heart of Kolkata, where the team will solve series of hidden clues, uncovered lesser known corners of the city, and the team will collaborate and solve the problem with their skill.
Of Kolkata On Wheels. Seated next to him is Mr. Vijay Chandra Das, business head, Jyoti Motors, our associate sponsor of today's event. To my immediate left is Mohammad Aftab Alam, Chief Manager, Retail Sales, Indian Oil Corporation Limited, our co-sponsors. On my right is Mr. Dhruvo Ghosh, Area General Manager of Hotel D. Sovrani, our venue partner. To his right is Mr. Amit Kumar, Zonal Head East and Northeast from Bridgestone India Private Limited, our title sponsor. And you've just heard Mrs. Aruna Ghosh, publisher of Kolkata On Wheels.
So good morning all of you, and really I'm very happy to be part of this event today, and Kolkata On Wheels magazine especially. So it's our core thing is safety while driving. So being global manufacturing car radial company, we are the number one in world, and promoting always safety.
It is an immense pleasure for Indian Oil to get associated with Kolkata On Wheels, and we have always have association with Kolkata On Wheels. So being this corporate treasure hunt, wish you all the best and take care while driving. Thank you.
Immense pleasure to associate our company with this treasure hunt. On behalf of Kolkata On Wheels and Jyoti Motors, I would extend my thank you to you. I would add to what the gentleman from Bridgestone sir said, do take care of your car, and in case of any car needs, it's always Nexa and Jyoti Motors, Sector 5. Thank you for the opportunity.
We have been having this is the 8th edition of this particular event. However, this year there are some changes to the format. So please take care of the format, because otherwise it would not be possible to run this. So the format is, normally other years there are 8 clues to 8 destinations. This year there are 5 clues to 5 destinations. Okay? So what that means is that at the starting point, all of you will get a clue sheet for the destinations. Those clue sheets has five clues that would lead you to 5 destinations. The clues are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 through to 4, the first 4 has to be completed first before you get to destination number 5. Because from the destination number 5, our route maps start. So the first section is the section of, do not try to take pictures of this one. I'll send a PDF to the group, don't worry. I did that for all of you this time. So from 5, 6, 7, 8 are route maps, and that has to be done second. At 5, you won't get your tulip if you or your route map if you have not done 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay? So this event is divided into 2 parts. The first 4 which you have to do first, and then the last 4 which are route maps which has to be done next. This time we are disclosing the location of the scavenger item. The location will be there in the WhatsApp group.
Car number 23 from our device, TK Ghosh. By Bridgestone Tires. By Bridgestone Tires, Indian Oil, Jyoti Motors, and this of running. Can we have this at 10:35? Go go! Being flat off by Jyoti Nexa and all the other sponsors. At 16.
Go, 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 go. 10:41.